What's up, guys, and welcome back. We are finally at the end of a first time project.
And made it off the another one here.
Eh?
Made it off the day in the last video.
Yeah, you need to tell them what on.
Yeah, because me that one. Like project manager.
Sam was a foreman. You know
That's
what
what you
that
call
mean?
it? Foreman
Same thing.
as project manager. Oh,
Sammy
one
was
word.
that person at the front of the project. So
Yes.
basically, as we talk now, we'll show you bits and pieces of
Yep.
whatever took place. But tell them what you have been through and how was the experience for you before we get into the reveal.
Stressful. Like guys, really and truly looking at it from the get go, yeah, say it look bad, right? But when we realize with these kind of things, yeah, you go through with the work man and them say, all right, yeah, this and that and whatever. And then when you start, you move one something, then 1,000,001 other things start popping up, right? At some point, I started to get frustrated because then I juggle Samuel, taking Samuel to school, then come back out for work, then pick up Samuel, and then in between, I try to fit in hardware. I just feel like I just run, like I'm just constantly run. But it was good, when we start see everything coming together. I couldn't wait. Like, I'm always that bad at them, like, all right, put this right there so I'm see it, I go look. I'm thinking I'm going to say something right so. But it was an experience. I don't think I want to do it again. Meaning, life would be like at, what you say?
Foreman
Yeah.
or foreman.
I would have preferred go through like getting what you call them people, like a contractor and so them deal with all of the hustling, right? But at the end of it all, me happy. I'm still happy even up to now. Like, yeah. When I say, all right, I'm look on it, I say, all right, then we can move in now. I feel like say I made it to like start carrying things and just settle.
Guys, it was a lot.
Yeah.
More than what we expected, and like she said, it's like the more you tear off wrapping paper, you realize the more paper under the tear off,
Right.
more things to fix.
Mm-hmm.
I always tell people if you're going to paint a door, as soon as I put the first coat on the door, you realize the wall dirty.
Yeah.
And as soon as I touch the wall, I realize the ceiling dirty.
Yes. Yes.
So it was overall it was a good experience.
Yeah.
First time doing something like this. I did a whole heap of work, but at the end, it turned out to be something good, and we're about to show that to you guys. But so we can't show you the big thing until we go back to the beginning of what it actually looked like. So look at this again. Guys,
Bad.
I remember somebody posted a comment. I should find a comment right now about the sound that we used for
Yeah.
the
Make it seem like evil, like some dead
But
thing.
guys, come on. All in all, things turned out to be good.
Yeah.
We had a lot of good people that came on and did their part,
Yes, yes.
and we thank all of them. We never have to run back on nobody because we pay and come do this, and even the guys that did the painting, after further inspection, realized that there were areas that needed some touching out, and they came back the following day after them pack up everything and gone. They came back and they ensured that the job was done properly. So big up to German Paint for that. Check him out on Instagram. And guys, trust me, if you book this guy to be a part of your project, you will not regret it. All right? So it's all about the finish, and you will get good finish.
Yeah, and even the guy that dealt with the tiling, him no, me I'm calling my animal.
Yeah, man, him do everything.
Yes,
if it up to him alone, him paint the house.
yes, because actually, somebody introduced me to him. Yeah, I know him because him live in the same neighborhood and stuff, but I didn't know what him really do. So I just asked one of my neighbor one question, and him say, "Yeah, man, Leroy do that." And I for plumbing work, guys, right? Him come and him start out this what I did want. And based on talking and talking, then we say, "All right, yeah, man, him tile too." I say, "Thank God, there we go, somebody for tile the place." What else him come do for now? After we done start out tiling and thing now, I call the man that we normally use to do the cupboard and stuff. The man just carry me around the road, him coming today, him coming tomorrow, him coming in an hour time. I all know him can't come. Leroy said, "No, man, I can't sort out that for you too." And there we go. The cupboard sort out. And then boom, no more one closet. And then you see, Leroy sort out the closet too.
So guys, like I said, the project just, and it never draw out long.
No.
It never draw out long. That is a good thing. It's just that as if we juggle work and construction.
Yeah.
It's a whole heap.
Beat you out. Because then anything them want, say you them a call. And you can't just left them up so you can go check in. After check in from them now and again and stuff. But hardware, that my best friend. Because it's like every hardware, I don't know. Like every minute. Because when you think say, alright, them say buy two of this. In the middle of the work, the two of this done. And then you have to go back again. But
not that they never know the measurement.
Yeah, but
like
things pop up.
Things just keep popping up and popping up.
Yes.
So it's almost like you do a brand new thing.
My word.
But guys, thank you so much for your patience. And it's time.
Wait, you're not telling. Oh, I want to talk about the cleaning part. So I'm going to put all in a cleaning up.
Alright, guys, so Sammy was not only the foreman, but she was a clean-up lady.
Yes, I put a lot of work into cleaning that place. Afterwards and so, and even with the face basin, because we never buy a new face basin, and it did mess up and thing. Me and the sandpaper, you have one water-based sandpaper, I never know this. Big up to Leroy for teaching me this. So you can use that now if you have a little stain on your face basin, or sometimes the chlorine start build up on your sink. That magic just start rub magic. But yeah, CJ did help out with the mopping out and thing. We go clean up. Nice.
So you want to show them how it look now?
Yeah, man, we have to put in that and thing. But no, everybody are waiting to see that still.
And that alone, I'm wait for them to hear all of this. So anyways, guys, without any further ado, drum roll.
No, you do that.
Cool. Lower yourself. Here we go with the big reveal. you guys really enjoyed the content of our very first home renovation series.
Yeah.
Please just leave your comments down below.
Yeah, man, you know, have to tell me something.
Yeah.
Have to tell me something in the
If we not do
comments.
something right, just tell we say we could have did do this or we could have did do that. I'm sure somebody has some experience in this field.
Yeah.
And probably in another video, you still have a receipt.
Yes,
Yeah,
all
probably
of
in
them.
another video we can give you some little tips on hardware purchasing and choosing stuff and pricing and for another video. But
Yeah.
tell us how we did with this project. Do you like? Do you want to live in there? How is it from the then to the now? Just tell me how we do.
Yeah.
Remember to like this video, please. Remember to share it. And as always, thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for the love. And we would not do this ourselves. Even if we started out doing this for ourselves, you guys have became a part of the family.
Yeah.
And
That's
we
true.
appreciate all of that. If you are not yet a part of the family, subscribe
That's
right
right.
now.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, man, wait on that. Press it. When I hear the bell, press it. Hear it?
Mm-mm.
I think me hear
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Thank you.
Them do it.
Thank you. And we'll see you guys
In the next video.
another video. And as some always say,
the journey continues.
big
Bye.
up me, because enough things me did do to and she never said that.
True.
But see you guys.
True.
See you
Don't
guys.
do that.
No. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.